muli sa inyo lahat. Umpisa na po natin ang ating third row with STL row number 7199. La Union, let's play 7 p.m. draw. Ibabalik po natin ang number 36 para sa ating pangalawang pagpili ng ating winning number. Our second winning number is number 25. Ulitin ko lamang po ang ating winning combination ngayong gabi. 36 and 25 in exact order. 36 and 25 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga winners.
Official draw balls. Official draw result for August 6, 2024, 7 p.m. draw. For draw number 7199 are 36 and 25. 36 and 25. 36 and 25.